is Jay, founder of ColdSkill Ltd. In this short and compact video, I will be providing our present and hopefully future clients an insight on why you should choose ColdSkill Ltd for all your refrigeration and air conditioning needs. Having been in this industry for 10 years, I founded ColdSkill Ltd with the vision to provide a reliable and professional service for all customers we engaged with. Our designers and engineers at ColdSkill Ltd have many years of experience and training, which allows them to provide the best quality of design and installation for all types of air conditioning and refrigeration systems, as well as specializing in the manufacturing and supply of all cold room and freezer panels and doors, hinge or sliding. Our credibility in providing clean and excellent work can be seen throughout many positive customers' review and feedbacks, as well as previous job documented on our Instagram page at ColdSkill.com. We will now be returning to a previous job completed by ColdSkill team to explain in detail exactly what we installed and our thoughts behind each step of the installation. This will show you our high levels of knowledge, attention to detail, and focus in making sure the installation can reach optimal operation.
We are here today to show you one of our projects that was recently completed by the ColdSkill team. When a client requests us to design and install a new refrigeration system, our first action is to arrange a site survey and visit the location. Pleasing our customers is especially important to ColdSkill. We always aim to understand the customer's needs and advise them on the best possible solutions.
As requested by the customer and seen now, we have designed and installed a large freezer storage unit with dimensions of 15 meters in length, 5 meters in width, and 5 meters high. This freezer is designed to keep dough frozen until needed for production. The 100mm panels installed are fireproof and food safe. ColdSkill always uses best quality materials and equipment. We also installed 2 large freezer doors for freezer room. ColdSkill can provide, manufacture and distribute any size of insulated doors.
We operate, distribute and install bespoke cold rooms and freezers across all sectors of the UK daily, individual premises or multinational global brands. No job is too large or too small to receive the attention and care that all jobs require. Our top priority is to ensure that all requirements, deadlines, specifications and standards are met. Finally, we have designed and installed 2 control panels which are able to control all functions in the system, such as evaporators, defrost systems and condensers.
My name is Clyde and I'm a new member of the ColdSkill team. I've been with the ColdSkill now for a couple of months and I'm also attending college where I'm studying level 2 air conditioning and refrigeration. When I first started working at ColdSkill, I didn't have any knowledge about the jobs we were carrying out or completing. However, as time went on, I started to pick up or in fact learn about the jobs we were completing and also learning how to use tools the correct way when carrying out the job. Now I know how to install cold rooms and air conditioning units and I love working at ColdSkill.
We recommend ColdSkill because they put all customers first. They make sure all the customer needs are dealt with before jobs are finished, and they have a fully established team to get all jobs done quickly and efficiently. ColdSkill Ltd makes sure all designers and engineers provide the highest level when it comes to work. They make sure all engineers are fully qualified at a higher standard so that their customers get the best value for money. From made-to-size bespoke cold rooms, all refrigeration inquiries, complete aircon supply and installation, ColdSkill Ltd can cover all your needs.